This is Diamond Technology Institute here in Watsonville, California, and we're super excited to have our aquaponic system be installed this week. I'm the agri-science teacher here, so I teach agri-science in terms of chemistry and some biology and some plant science. And we're really excited to be able to use this system in a whole bunch of different ways. I'm going to teach chemistry in here, water chemistry, soil chemistry. We're gonna have our sustainable agriculture class in here, growing plants, monitoring plants, creating and running experiments. So yeah, we're excited to have this be a laboratory, a classroom, and it's going to grow food. And we're excited to give that food to our community. We'll be eating the food here on campus.
So we just built this over the last 3 days, and one of the really wonderful things that we got to experience while we were here was the connection to the students, connection to community, and what we really saw were students that were engaged. They were empowered, they were interested, they were doing things with chemistry, biology, math, and they were really getting involved. They were asking fabulous questions, they were inspired, and this is really what we need for students of the future to think about how are we going to feed the planet.
Us as a class, we're all pretty excited because, obviously, we've been practicing this since freshman year.
I just want to get food. I just want to see the fish grow.
I think maybe some cucumbers would be nice.
Seeing that we have an aquaponics system now in my school, it means a lot. It could teach me a lot too.
I think the students will sort of band together and really take ownership of taking care of live animals, the fish. And I've already seen it, this is my first semester here. I've already seen students get really excited about it. Just a little bit of a corn plant growing and being really curious about how's it doing coming in on Monday. Like, is it alive? Is it bigger? And
I'm really looking forward to the community aspect of the whole aquaponic system, because really anyone can come in here and take care of the fish or plant some of the sprouts. I think it'll be very nice when everything starts growing. It'll just be like a little local community garden in here.
I thought aquaponics was more about fish, but now seeing that we could plant stuff too, I'm very growing up I planted a lot of stuff, taking care of animals, and now I can do both at school. It's just something I'm gonna be looking very forward to.
We're never going to eat data, we're not going to eat money, we're not going to eat widgets. Those things are important in the world. We need food. So we need students to be inspired, to grow food, to think about innovation that's going to help us produce quality agriculture, to think about nutrition. We think aquaponics is a really, really valuable way to be a part of the entire agriculture setting, and we are excited to continue empowering schools and students and teachers. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope an aquaponic system comes to your school soon.